Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 16 Pro and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and go to device unlock and tap on face and fingerprint unlock. Then tap on fingerprint and tap on agree. Before we will be able to set the fingerprint, we have to set a regular screen lock, and obviously if you've got one, you will be simply transferred to another step. If not, you have to do it right now, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern pin or password, so it is crucial. You can choose the numeric, alphanumeric or pattern. I will pick pattern. And here we've got the information that I've just explained to you, so just tap on next. And now let me draw the pattern, redraw it. And here we've got here we will be immediately transferred to this adding fingerprint section. And we've got the information that if you're using the screen protector, it might affect the fingerprint sensor, which is located under the screen. So be aware about that. And my tip is to first of all add the screen protector and then add the fingerprint. So just tap on add now, and here we've got the fingerprint sensor. So let me put my finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Okay, just tap on done. That was quite easy in this device, fortunately. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it. I don't want to use the face unlock. We can rename it or remove it or add another fingerprint. And thanks to adding another fingerprint, we will be able to use the fingerprint for hidden apps quick start. So it's of course up to you whether you want to use this option or not. Now you can decide for what you'd like to use the fingerprint for. So screen unlock, app lock, hide apps, or data protection. It's up to you, just mark the option. Here we've got the quick launch, so you can decide whether you want to use the quick launch and open the app or use a specific function thanks to the fingerprint. Up to you. Fingerprint animation, so here we've got some options. We've got some custom, which is quite nice. So here we've got those which are default and kind of pre-installed, let's say. And here we've got the custom, so we can choose the fingerprint icon, we can choose the effect, the animation. Yeah, quite nice. So obviously just set it like you want to. As you can see, after tapping on this plus icon, you can also choose the icon, but also you can simply enter a specific icon. Nice, that's a really nice option to customize, to be honest. Oh, let me actually quickly do it. I want to use, for example, this one. Perfect. You can also change the color of this animation. Kind of. Not really. Maybe it will not work in this one. All right, let's tap on done. Perfect. I want to have this option applied. All right. All right, now let's go back and we can decide whether we want to show the fingerprint icon when the screen is off. All right, so now let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So here we've got our sensor, which is great. I mean, this customization is perfect. So let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.